Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We have two packages to open today. This is from Fashionphile and this is from RealReal. They're both Chanel accessories. Well, actually technically one is SLG, one is accessory. So let's open this together. I think I'm gonna open this one from Fashionphile first. So I ordered this along with Pranza cooler bag that I recently unboxed. I'll link the video up here if you're interested in checking it out. So I ordered this with Pranza cooler bag and they shipped it separately. So I ordered it because they were having a promotion offer. So I thought that I've been always looking for this SLG. So I thought I might as well just order it while they're having promotion offers. So let's open this. I think this is probably the receipt. They already send you the nail file, which I like, so it's kind of cute. So here's the item. Comes in this Fashionphile dust bag. It comes in a box. So, be curious what I got. Oh, look at the color! Wow! The color is really pretty, right? It's a passport cover. Wow. It's so soft and puffy. It's got this silver CC hardware. Is it made in Italy? It's a lambskin. The color kind of comes off as a little bit orange on camera, but it's actually more like it's darker reddish than like light orange like it comes off on camera. So it's got this card slots here and then pocket here. It comes with a Fantasy card and it is 27 series. Wow, I really like it. I like that it's so soft and puffy. It's lambskin, so it's probably more delicate than caviar, but I think it will be okay since this will be mostly in my purse when I'm traveling. So yeah, it's my first Chanel accessory, well, SLG item. I like it very much. So pretty. Okay, let's open the next item. Sorry, I'm filming using my phone and my phone was warning me that the battery is low, so it kind of paused a little bit. So anyway, here's the item from RealReal. The packaging is not as nice as Fashionphile. So here's probably the receipt. Didn't come with a case. So this is Chanel sunglasses. Although I don't know if this is gonna work for my face See how it's curved? This type of sunglasses are usually for Western face, not Asian face. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I bought this because I had some credit on RealReal because I saw some items, which, by the way, I don't recommend selling on RealReal because it was my first time selling with them and I didn't know how the process worked. And basically, long story short, they took my items and I had no say whatsoever in determining the price, and they just sold my item like really cheap, and then they took like 60% of the profit. I only got 40%, so I don't recommend selling on RealReal. Anyway, so I had some credit on RealReal, so I wanted to use it, and this one popped up as a new item on RealReal, and I thought it was really cute because if you see the frame, it has this CC on the side, so I thought it was really cute, so I ordered it. But then looking at the frame, I'm not sure if it's gonna work for my face, so I'm gonna try it. Yep, it's not for me. It doesn't fit me properly. It's like I'm Asian, so I have no nose bridge, so there's no support. This is definitely for Western styles. It doesn't fit me. So, well, that's too bad. I'm gonna have to return this, sadly. That's too bad because I really do like this part of the frame. So, anyway, yeah, I like it though. Too bad it doesn't fit me. Yeah, that's kind of too bad. Anyway, that's it for today's unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye.